Didn't think you were one for rituals and such. But I figured I'd keep you busy for a while. Always need
For what?
the real burden being right so often. What is that? Booby trap.
Huh?
Reavers sometimes leave with the rescue ships. Triggered it when latched on. Okay, so we don't detach. We just, I don't know, sit tight until...
What, Reavers come back?
Oh, that was a trap for you?
You tell me right now, little Kaylee, you really think you can do this?
Sure. Yeah.
How many time do you need? Wesh. The images, you know, of the ships each time are really good. Okay. They did something to you. But for what reason? All of what we know is the fact that the rivers are going further each time. You're connected to the guy? It's a little supernatural, you know, the fact that she's connected to ghosts, she can hear their voices, right there she's connected to the guy. In sci-fi shows, I prefer, you know, scientific reasons to explain stuff than supernatural ones. I can deal with it, you know, but it's not what I prefer.
Looks like a thing to me.
Thought we might have had a situation, but it looks to be taken care of.
It worked.
Everyone's home, watch, let's go.
Reavers. Cora, Reavers, come back.
Get that stuff sorted.
Prepare to dock and be boarded.
Bye. Not rivers. Can you hide Simon and the river? You're there, you?
No mandatory registration markings on the bow. Make sure we see.
Ah, I like you.
Transport
I
ship.
missed you also.
An alert issued on an unidentified Firefly class believed to be carrying 2 fugitives, a brother and sister.
What are they?
Fuck, they know.
I'm not about to have any surprises on a routine check. We run into these two, we shoot first. Perhaps can sort it out later.
We've got to run. Can't run, pulling us in. We don't want it to seem like we got anything to hide. But give them Alliance boys the wrong impression.
Why, are you gonna put her in plain sight too?
No.
Don't get touchy.
So you could use us as bargaining chips?
Knew there was a reason.
They're not taking her and you're not giving her to them.
Don't be a fool, son.
Just in. Hello?
Well, quite a lot of fun.
And is this everyone, Captain?
By way of crew, it is. Though in our infirmary, you're going to find a fellow we rescued off that derelict. Saved him.
Take it you rescued them as well.
Nope. Sir? We've got an issue.
It does. Alliance property, too. You could lose your ship, Captain. But that is a wrist slap compared to the penalty for harboring fugitives. A brother and sister.
No children on this boat.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't say children. We'll continue this conversation in a more official capacity. I want every inch of this junker talk.
Junker? You are a companion,
Yes.
and you were based for years on Sinon. It's only in the last year that you were shipping out with the
Interesting. You're gonna make interviews of each of them? What I said in the intro, you know, the fact that we need to go further, deeper into the backgrounds and the feelings of each characters.
I rent the shuttle from Captain Reynolds, which allows me to expand my client base. And the captain finds that having a companion opens certain doors that might otherwise be closed.
And do you love him?
I don't see how that's relevant.
Well,
No.
that's your husband.
Yes.
You're playing writers.
Is there any particular reason you don't wish to discuss your marriage?
Don't see that it's any of your business is all.
The legs.
Fine for me.
I definitely have to say it was her legs. Put that down.
Right. So that you strain your primary artery function and you end up having to recycle secondary exhaust through a bypass system. Now that's junk.
What did you want to
You see
say?
what she wears? Forget about it. Have you ever been with a warrior woman?
Sorry.
Pirates with their own chaplain. These fugitives that were looking for the brother and sister. They were last seen on Persephone. They also left port aboard a Firefly class transport.
Persephone's a big place.
Yes. Yes, it is. And that Firefly isn't.
They are not hiding in it, but outside of it. That's it. For how long can they stay outside like that? You know, how many air do they have? Ah! You like the stars? Yeah. So, did you find them?
That ship is evidence. I'm not in the habit of destroying evidence.
Of course not. Be against the rules.
It's a very low crew you have there.
Mm-hmm.
But then I can tell by your record you have a tendency to inspire that quality in people.
Ooh.
War's over. For some, the war will never be over. I noticed your ship's called Serenity.
What I said in intro?
Independence suffered a pretty crushing defeat there. Some say that after Serenity, the Browncoats were through, but the war ended in that valley. It seems odd you name your ship after a valley you're on the wrong side of.
May have been the losing side. Still not convinced it was the wrong one.
You're still fighting the same battle, Sergeant. Only those weren't soldiers you murdered. They were civilians, families.
You're really gonna try
So
to
we attack that ship, then
make
brought the
him...
only living survivor to her.
No.
Only I'm not sure he'll be able to speak with his tongue split down the middle.
What did you know?
What?
I haven't seen.
I should know.
You and your crew are bound by law. Formal charges will be transmitted to the Central Authority.
Commander, I'm not what you need.
How would you know? I don't
Things go the way
understand.
they are, there's gonna be blood.
What did they do to him? It's one of them?
Reaver stated, it's the truth.
He was right to the face of it. He was made to stare. The darkness, they made him watch. He probably tried to turn away. They wouldn't let him. You call him a survivor, he's not.
He's what?
Man comes up against that kind of will, the only way to deal with it, I suspect, is to become it. He's still trying to make himself look like one. Cut on himself, desecrate his flesh, and then he'll start acting like one.
Let's have two. And he's up here to escort Sergeant Reynolds to the brig.
It's gonna be safer in the brig than you outside of it.
Let's go again.
Don't pull on him. I want guards on the nursery. It won't matter. Won't fight him. I know where he'll go.
She's feeling it.
Come on. River, you don't have to be afraid.
Ah, she does.
Looking for familiar ground. He's on the hunt.
Someone? In particular?
Nobody knows Serenity like I do. I can help you. Thanks. I'll really have the advantage.
Ha.
We should move around much. We should grab some food.
You saw something. The music is good. You know, it's really creating a tension right there. Do something? What? Well done. What about his face? He saved your life? Say thank
He
you.
saves Goran life, he still takes the cargo.
You had to. Not as profit. We'll be civilized.
He's not really taking it. You know what they said about the fact that firing it wouldn't be obeying to the rules, so they were not gonna do it. In fact, he did it at the end. I'm not sure. Can we see the face of the guy at the end again? It's not clear. Can you stop moving, please? I can't see it. I'm gonna put it right there. It's really not clear, and it's on purpose. He's acting really fast and all, and the camera is moving a lot. It's on purpose that we can't see his face. But if I seeing it clearly, he has stuff on his face and all. Like right there, it's not so clear, his face. He puts things into his face. See, I think that when I'm gonna put that, you know, to edit it, that moment into the show, into the episode, it lasts less than 30 seconds for sure, and his face really clearly on screen I think that it's less than 4 seconds and it's dark, it's moving a lot, so we can't see it clearly. It's on purpose, you know, that we can't see it clearly. Maybe because for now they just want to tease, you know, the reverse and all of that. Maybe they just want to tease how they look like and to not make the viewers, you know, see it clearly. I want to know more about the reverse. I want to see them, really. How they look like, but also how they are acting. The organization, you know, that they have together. I don't know why I'm not buying all of these explanations that they are giving about the reverse. You know, it's all about rumors, it's all about fears. They are killing people for sure. Right there we have the proof of that. They killed all of the members of that ship, you know, of that cargo. So they are truly killing people, torturing them for sure also, because of the bodies that we found, but also because of that guy that we found who lost it totally because of what he saw. They made him, or he made himself, one of them at the end, you know, a river. But I don't know why, there is something missing right there. You know, they tried to explain during this episode how it happened at first. They went away on a planet and they came back like that. There is something missing. And during one of the episodes they said that the rivers were going further years by years, like they are trying to expand, or just they miss people to eat, so they need to go further. I don't know. I think that there is something missing right there. And I don't know why. I want to say I'm not buying it. In fact, I'm buying it, you know, the fact that they are violent, the fact that they are killing people, the fact that they are torturing people. I'm buying all of that. We had the proof of that during this episode. So why do I want to say I'm not buying it? Because there is something missing for sure. And because for me, there is another purpose, and not just to kill people, to eat people. It has, you know, it's not enough to justify an entire organization of people, the rivers, divided. I think, you know, for what they are saying, that they have a lot of different ships. There are already people organized into different ships, and they are organized enough to expand, to attack people, just for the joy of killing and eating people. Why? Yes, maybe it's because of that, you know, that I want to say I'm not buying it. I think that I'm not buying the reasons why they are doing that, the ones that they presented for now. For me, the thing which is missing, it's that reason, you know, the real reason. A real explanation about why they are doing all of that, but I want to know also how they are doing all of that. Because if they are just, you know, people eating people, you can't be organized like that. You understand what I mean? Or maybe I'm imagining them more organized, you know, than what they are really. I don't know. There is something missing. For me, right there, something missing. And I want to see them. Even if, you know, it can be gross and really wrong, all of what they're gonna do, all of what we're gonna see them do, I want to see them. What they look like, but also how they are acting and the organization. I want to know what is missing. For me, it has to be the reason why they are doing all of that. But maybe it's something else which is missing. So, right there, the story, it was a cargo which was attacked by the rivers. But no battle, no struggle, nothing. They were going weaker, he said. I'm thinking, you know, of something put into the air. So all of the crew, all of these people, you know, inside are going weaker because they are missing. No, maybe they turned off, you know, the air, and that's why they were going weaker, because they were missing air. Or maybe, like I said, something chemical, you know, which was put into it to make them weaker, and then they killed all of them. You know, to explain the fact that there was no battle, no struggle, nothing. But you survived, they made you watch all of that, and because it was too much for you, you became one of them, one of the river. Why not? You know, that explanation, I can buy it. But what about river, you know? I know, river, the girl, you know, I know. But she can hear ghosts screaming. She can feel the rivers, where they are, what they did. I said it during the episode, you know, into sci-fi shows like that, into space opera shows and all, I prefer much more scientific reasons, explanations and all than supernatural one. I can buy them, I can like them, but I prefer logical, scientific reasons. Into Battlestar Galactica, for example, that I binge-watched. If you didn't know that, I binge-watched Battlestar Galactica and I made reaction videos for all of my binge-watching. I preferred each time all of their logical and scientific reasons than the supernatural, religious, you know, mystic ones. I bought them, I appreciated them, but I would have preferred logical and scientific reasons. Into other shows, I have nothing against it. Yes, it's sci-fi shows, you know, I'm expecting these shows to be more pragmatic, more logical. I still hope, you know, that maybe there is a logical, scientific explanation behind that. For the fact that she would know what happened just right there and all, I was beginning to think that maybe it was a memory, maybe she was there, she lived what happened into that cargo and all. But after that, she knew that the guy, you know, was right there. She was feeling it, so it's not that. It's not a memory, it's a feeling right there. So for now, they are going more into a possible supernatural explanation than a scientific one. She can feel things like that, hear ghost memories. And you know, when I'm thinking about a logical, scientific reason for her to hear all of that, to know all of that, she lived it. It was one of her memories, but for now she can't remember anything, so she forgot it maybe. Or it's because of what they implanted into her. I don't know. The interviews were nice also. I said it during the intro that we need to go a little deeper with each characters to know more about their backgrounds and their feelings. We didn't, not really during this episode. I mean, about Mal, what we learned about him during this episode, we already knew it. The fact that he's loyal to his crew is loyal to him. He was a sergeant during the war, he's not a fan of it, and maybe he didn't give up on the reasons, you know, of that war. There is still something right there, maybe he wants revenge, he wants justice, something like that. We had stuff about that before. And for the other ones, maybe Inara, we learned a little more about her. And the Shepherd also. The Shepherd is really on a mission with all of this crew and in particular with Mal. And Inara, the reasons, you know, that she's giving to stay right there with this crew, it's always the same. But maybe she's beginning to feel that they are not enough really justify her presence here. At some point she's gonna need to find other reasons or to be just honest with herself. Okay, I'm gonna stop this review right now because I want to watch 1 or 2 more episodes. So it's all for you for today and it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.